is that you end up with a lot of dots. I like to think, we have our entrepreneur symbol with all these dots and then one sticking out to the side. And that's sort of like, in one way, it's the entrepreneur who beats to the different drummer. But if you think of all those dots, it's sort of like there are all these dots and they're all trying to run away. One of them just ran away first, right? And your job is to sort of pull them all back together and figure out how they connect. And it happens at different times, in different places. So you collect a little piece of information here, you get kicked in the butt and you get knocked down here, and you don't necessarily realize. But after a while, I think the better you get and the more things you do, you start realizing like how things can connect. So at this stage for me, what's kind of fun is seeing these different dots, and I try and expose myself to, well, I don't try and expose myself, but I try and go to different places where I learn different things, and I try and say, well, what could connect here and there? And I'm doing that with a movie right now. I'm doing it with a magazine concept. I'm doing it where we're creating in our business a book, a children's book, where we're creating our own licensed characters around the story of these characters who protect kids who are in the hospital, and we're going to build products, and the hospitals are going to give them away to the kids, and we'll have a book and hopefully develop that into a TV show. But I'm trying to take different things from my past and from people that I know and put them together and connect them.